A lot of people have been saying that it's stupid for me to turn my 370 into a drift car, especially because it only has 20 something thousand miles on it, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I went ahead and ordered about $5,000 of parts and mods for this car. And we also only have 50 working hours to dedicate to this car before the first event. And I'll go through that in a minute. The game plan is to start the easy stuff and get that out of the way. So seats, harness bar, and a lot of weight savings. So let's get that out of the way. And that is what the bottom looks like after everything's taken out. There's so much sound deadening, styrofoam and mess in the back of this. Honestly excited about having this much more space in this car because these seats are huge. Look at that compared to that. So yes, I do only have one seat for my car, and the reason is I need a lot of room to carry a lot of stuff for the first event. If you've heard of Drift Week before, you know what it's all about. But if not, it's a 10-day multiple track adventure trip, and it's about 40 of us. We're taking the cars from different tracks all down the East Coast, and I'm doing the after movie for it. But since I'm not going to be filming the whole time, they invited me to bring my car. So first time for everything, so I'm going to put everything together and start practicing. Also, here's a little video that I made for the next mods that I made in our studio, but that'll be next time. Comment section. There's not many to choose from, so I just put both of them up here. Z content, best content, and great video. YouTube been watching for a long time, and I appreciate that.